Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to tag people on Instagram story. Tagging people in your Instagram story is a great way to give a shout out, collaborate with friends, or let your followers know who is in your photo or video. By tagging someone, they get notified and your story can reach a wider audience. Here's how you can do it step by step. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Then swipe right or tap on your profile picture to add a story. Now select any photo or video that you want to post in your story. Next, tap on the sticker icon from the right side menu at the top of the screen. From the sticker options, tap on mention, type the username of the person you want to tag, and then select the correct user from the list that appears. You can now adjust the position and size of the tag on your photo or video so it looks just right. Once you're happy with it, tap on the arrow icon at the bottom right corner, tap on share to post your story, and then tap done. Your story is now live, and you can check it to make sure the tagged person is visible. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.